This is feedback for WR2 Feedback for Farah. First thing I want to say is that you did a really good job with adding transition words. You made a lot of good points and mostly correct. A lot of things that you did really well in this practice essay, and just a couple things that you can improve. So first thing, format. On the right side, you're supposed to have your page number and ID number over here. Also, try defining the two into intro instead of showing differences. So what you're doing here in the intro, you're doing like how I suggested to, show the opposite of what your essay is going to be about. But it'd probably be better to just kind of define what these two restaurants are. So what is PICU and what is Pinkberry? What did they sell? What are they? You don't have to show so much the differences, even though this has this, they have that, as you're doing. Just talk about the restaurants in general. Just say PICU sells this, Pinkberry sells this. They're both popular restaurants today, or whatever. Something like that in the intro. It's not to say that this is bad, but it'd be better to kind of define this, because somebody reading this for the first time, it's like, what is PICU? What is Pinkberry? They might not know. So you should, make that clear. Also, I want you to give some more examples in body 1. You gave a couple, but this paragraph is pretty short. So maybe right here, how you talk about both restaurants have several branches. Give examples of that. Say, for example, there's a branch, they have branches in, the avenues and 360 things. You also say several options in the menu. Give examples of that. So again, those examples would make this paragraph a little bit longer and better. I thought you did a good job with examples in the second body paragraph, so I don't have any suggestions there. Last thing, advice should be also include what you prefer. So in the conclusion, you restated the thesis, which is good, but you should also, I don't know why you wrote here in summary. That's not needed because you already wrote in conclusion. So say which one you prefer. Future kids will be motivated to open restaurants in Kuwait. I think these young people should be supported by family members. Do you pick one over the other? Do you pick PICU? Like, say that here. This is, I advise, PICU to, improve their marketing, or, be more competitive. They can do X, Y, and Z. Give some good advice, in your conclusion. Some better than what you did here. But overall, really good. Good job.